In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage social links blocks on your Squarespace website. So, whether you're aiming to connect with your audience or simply want to showcase your social media presence on your site, this tutorial has got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account to get started right away. To begin, open your Squarespace platform. You'll need to ensure that you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your credentials and sign in. Once you've logged in, navigate to your home page. This is essentially your control center where you have access to various actions and features of your Squarespace sites. Located on the left bottom corner of your screen is your profile. Click on this. Here, you're going to see a list of different options and features related to your Squarespace account. What we need to do next is identify and select the specific website you're planning to work on. This is crucial because Squarespace allows you to manage multiple sites from the same account, and you want to make sure you're editing the correct one. After selecting the website, you'll need to click the Edit button. This will allow you to make changes to the current page. Once in edit mode, look for and click the Add Block button. This feature is really intuitive, letting you introduce various types of content blocks seamlessly onto your page. There are numerous block options, but for today, we're focusing on the social links block. Select social links from the options. It's worth noting that this block is designed to efficiently organize and display your various social media links in a neat, visually appealing way. Now double-click on the social links block. This opens up a new menu where you can begin adding your social media links. Look for the Add Social Link button. Clicking on this will give you a field where you can paste your desired link. For demonstration purposes, we'll start by adding www.facebook.com. Carefully paste the URL into the designated field. Next, we'll add another link. Repeat the process by clicking Add Social Link, and this time use www.instagram.com. Once you paste it in, you'll notice both links represented by their respective logos appearing on your page. These icons give your viewers a clear and direct way to find and connect with you on these platforms. Finally, when you're satisfied with the additions and everything looks good on your page, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. This ensures that everything you've added is locked in place and will appear as intended on your live site. And there you have it. Adding social links to your Squarespace website is that straightforward. Remember, this feature not only makes your site more interactive, it actively helps in building a connected and engaged online community. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!